Unlocking English. Mastering the relative pronoun. When. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson on relative pronouns. Today, we are delving deeper into the word, when. When is a special type of relative pronoun, used specifically to refer to a time something happens or happened. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. When is a relative pronoun that introduces a relative clause. It helps us give more information about a time something happens, without needing to start a new sentence. For example, I will never forget the day when I first met you. Here, when introduces the relative clause, I first met you. This relative clause gives more information about the day, linking it directly to the time the speaker first met someone. So how can you use when in your sentences? Very often, when is used after nouns related to time, such as the day, the time, the year, etc. Here are some examples. The year when we moved to New York was very memorable. Do you remember the time when we used to play soccer every afternoon? In these sentences, when gives us more details about the specific time mentioned in the main sentence. Sometimes, you can omit when in your sentence and it will still make perfect sense. This usually happens when is used after words like the day, the time, etc. Here's what it looks like. I will never forget the day I first met you. The year we moved to New York was very memorable. These sentences still make sense, right? But remember, this isn't always the case. In formal writing, it's generally better to include when to avoid any confusion. And there we have it. You've now learned how to use the relative pronoun when in your sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to use when in your daily conversations and writings. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work, English learners. Until next time.